To use a Nike gift card, start by locating the gift card number and the PIN, usually found on the back of the card. Make sure to scratch off the silver foil to reveal the PIN. Next, go to the Nike website or visit a Nike retail store. If you are using the website, click on the shopping bag icon in the top right corner and then select Checkout. If you are in a store, let the sales associate know that you want to use a gift card. On the website, you will see a section that says Apply Gift Card. Enter your gift card number and PIN, and then click Apply. The gift card amount will be deducted from your order total. If you are in a store, the sales associate will swipe the gift card and let you know the balance. You can use the gift card to purchase any item on the Nike website or in stores. If your purchase is more than the gift card balance, you can pay the remaining amount with another payment method. After completing your purchase, you will receive an email with the order details and the updated gift card balance. You can also check your gift card balance on the Nike website or by calling the customer service number. It is essential to keep your gift card safe and secure to avoid losing the balance. Nike gift cards do not expire, and there are no fees associated with using them. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Nike gift card and enjoy your new purchase.